How to save and download Instagram messages. So if you want to save and download the Instagram messages, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, you just need to simply go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you tap on profile, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and you need to go with account center. Under account center, scroll down, go with your information and permissions. Tap on download your information. Tap on download and transfer information and choose your Instagram. Tap on next and tap all available information if you want to download all of your information, or if you want to download only DMs, which are Instagram messages, then you can simply go with some of your information and only choose the messages section and then check it. Go with next, which is on the bottom, and you can choose download to device or transfer to a destination. I'll be choosing download to this device, and you can choose the data range or the date range. For example, I'll be choosing last week. Go with save and then go with notify, and you need to choose the mail address in which you would like to notify. Go with format. You can choose other formats also. You need to go with media quality, and then you can simply choose the media quality and tap on create files. Once you tap on create files, then it will create the files and the files will be in progress. It might take a few minutes or a few hours to receive the files, and once you receive the files you will get notified, and after that you can simply download the files. So that's how you can save and download Instagram files, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.